Hey there, sports card fans. I've got a break for you. It's 2020-21 excuse me, NBA Hoops Megabox 10 Megabox. Oh yeah, retail Megabox. Find 10 Megabox exclusive explosion parallels per box, on average 144 cards, 18 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. I already started opening up the plastic to try to help us along, but apparently I didn't do that good of a job. Lower this camera a little bit. Just okay, that's better. $250 card set, including 200 base or 200 veterans and 50 rookies. A little doohickey on the back here to keep the box sealed. Kind of hard to get that off. Okay, and what is the point of this? Why did they make the box this big when they're just going to use this? This has nothing in it. The packs only are in this part and that part, but yet they give it a third compartment. Why? It doesn't make sense to me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18 packs. Put this over here for now. Okay, Ja Morant on the packs, Ja Morant on the box. Here we go. Romeo Langford. So each card is a different. Whoa! Yay! Oh, cool. It's not that great of a card, but it's cool because one of my favorite players. I love Durant and I love Giannis, and I got a Giannis, and it's a special one. Anyway, but so if you can see, each card has a different color border to go with the team that they're with. So Celtics, Romeo Langford, Kawhi Leonard, Clippers, George Hill, Bucks, Jimmy Butler, Heat, Will Barton, Nuggets. Then we've got that Giannis card, Robert. Oh, then we got. Oh wow, Wow! Not only did I get a Giannis, but I got a LaMelo Ball rookie. Pretty much, I think the best rookie you can get in these packs. Robert Woodard II and LaMelo Ball rookies. So that's cool. Let's see if it'll focus a little bit more. Always have trouble with the focusing. Maybe I didn't wait enough. There we go. LaMelo Ball, Robert. Okay. Cool. Righty. And Giannis, it's some kind of oh, this must be the explosion. Yeah, well, let me see what kind of explosion it is. Or maybe it's just base green. No. Purple explosion. Okay, purple explosion it must be, because the green explosions are numbered to 89. And this one is not numbered. So, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Purple explosion. Nice card. Okay. Well, that's a nice way to start off the box. Hopefully, that won't be the best pack. Hopefully, there's other good stuff in here. Gotta get the cards all in the same. Okay. Same direction. Lauri Markkanen, Draymond Green, Andre Drummond, Lonnie Walker IV, DeAndre Ayton. We have an insert, and it's a Giannis insert. Frequent flyers. Not bad. And we have two rookies, Malachi Flynn and Udoka Azub Azub Azubweek. I don't know how to say that. Okay. So it looks like two rookies per pack, I guess. What is this, a Giannis box? I got another Giannis insert. Okay, Kentavious Caldwell-Pope, Taurean Prince, Tobias Harris, Carmelo Anthony, Devontae Graham, and oh, neat, and this is a numbered one. Oh, cool. This is a neat parallel. So this is Green Explosion of the Jersey Swap insert, and it's Giannis, Thanasis, and Kostas, the Antetokounmpo brothers. Cool card. I love it. Come on. Okay. Not gonna work. Apparently I have to do it myself. Alright. There we go. Jersey Swap. Number 50 of 89. Giannis, Thanasis, and Kostas. Cool. Oh, wow. I am super happy with that. Okay, two rookies. Daniel Oturu, Cassius maybe? Winston. Alright, well, I wonder if there's going to be another Giannis card in here. Oh, I'm not quite in focus. Hold on. There we go. Okay, Serge Ibaka, Luka Doncic. No Giannis this time. Steven Adams, Jaren Jackson, Joe Engels. Pascal Siakam, Lights, Camera, Action insert. That's a staple of the Hoops line. And two rookies, Trey Jones and Emmanuel Quickly. Quickly, that's it. Oh. Shh. Shut up, computer. I wonder if it's doing updates or something. Alright. Jackson Hayes, Gordon Hayward, Paul George. Davis Bertans, Bam Adebayo. Oh, hair. Bam Adebayo. We have another jersey swap. Zion Williamson and Ja Morant. Okay, yeah, so that was this is the purple one. So this is the purple parallel, purple explosion. The other one was the green explosion, and you can see this one has green writing over here, and you can see that this one has purple writing. Nice. All right. I guess I'll put those all there. Jersey swap, hollow. Yeah, purple explosion. Jersey swap, green variation. Cool. Okay, we have 2 rookies. Oh, Anthony Edwards, that's a good one. And Sadiq Bey. I'm just gonna check real quick and see what if my computer's doing something stupid. Yeah, it looks like the updater is running. Alright, next pack. Well, we have a Giannis base card. Thaddeus Young. Michael Porter Jr., Colin Sexton, Marvin Bagley the third. 3 rookies, Tyler Bay, Theo Maldon, and Robert Woodard the second, purple explosion. Alright, next pack. Here we go. I hope that's not too loud on the video. Super annoying, though. Klay Thompson, who is now back after missing like 2 years. Yeah. Dwight Howard, Spencer Dinwiddie, Cam Johnson, TJ Warren, Thaddeus Young, purple explosion. Cole Anthony and Josh Green, rookies. Oh my god, that's seriously annoying. Excuse me. I don't know why it does this. It's so annoying. Joel Embiid, Austin Rivers, Cody Zeller, Darius Baisley, CJ McCollum. Alright, lights, camera, action, Damian Lillard, hollow parallel. I'm getting confused here. Alright, 2 rookies. Aaron Naismith and Killian Hayes. Kristaps Porzingis, JJ Redick, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell, John Wall, Will Barton, purple explosion, Obi Toppin, and Tyrese Maxey, rookies. Okay, so that was the first 9 packs. Honestly, really, really good. I'm happy about those. Here are the next 9. Be nice if I get an autograph in one of these. Computer seems to be behaving now. Patrick Beverley, Chris Middleton, Kendrick Nunn, Torrey Craig, Christian Wood, Cole Anthony, class of 2020, insert. Desmond Bain and Cassius Stanley, rookies. As I almost dropped both of them. Both. Alright. Chris Dunn. Andrew Wiggins. Kyle Kuzma, Mo Bamba, Devin Booker. We've got a green explosion parallel. So that's 2 green explosions in one box. Nice. Elijah Hughes. Boy, it would have been nice if this was LaMelo or LaMelo Ball or Anthony Edwards. Hold on, I'm not holding it with the correct. Oh, it started to focus because it's got me out of focus. Being stupid. Alright. Elijah Hughes. 61 of 89. Nice card. Don't really know much about him, so I'm not sure if he... how good he is, or if he's even playing. Okay. Wow, 2 other rookies. This guy is super duper skinny. Look at this guy. Wow. I mean, of course it's still not focusing properly, but Alexej, Aleksej Pokusevsky, and Jami apostrophe us Ramsey. There they are. Okay, I'm just gonna turn the autofocus off because it doesn't seem to be working. Kyrie Irving. Tell you what I'm going to do with that right now. Boo. Hate that fuck. Okay. Juancho Hernan Gomez. Huh. Victor Oladipo, Malik Monk, Cam Reddish. Okay, we've got an insert, vanity plates, James Harden. Before he went to the Nets. 2 rookies, Isaac Okoro, Isaiah Stewart. James Harden, first card in this pack. Seth Curry. Brandon Ingram. Harry Giles. Jordan Clarkson. We have a purple explosion. Klay Thompson. Yay. That's nice. Oh, I'm dumb. I forgot. I turned the autofocus off. I don't know why it doesn't want to... this autofocus doesn't want to work. It always used to be fine. Jordan Nwora, Nwora, and Jalen Smith, rookies. Wow, this video is long. Okay. Next pack. Daniel Theus, Reggie Jackson, Bradley Beal, Andre Iguodala, DeMar DeRozan. Oh, I was going to say that. I was like, I know who that is, but he's not playing anymore. Apparently this insert has former players. Jason Williams. The old school Jason Williams from the Kings back in like 1999, 2000, 2001, blah, 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 blah. Neat. Okay. And two rookies. I don't think I can say either of their names. DENI space AVDIJA. And the other guy is ONYEKA space OKONGWU. Yeah. Okie doke. Next pack. So 18, 17, 16. This is pack number 15. Dante DiVincenzo, Otto Porter Jr., Eric Pascal, whatever his name is, Thon Maker, Aaron Gordon, Andre Drummond, Purple Explosion, Saban Lee and Jaden McDaniels, rookies. Pack 16. Danny Green. Pascal Siakam, Aaron Baines, Jeremy Lamb, Terry Rozier. Lights, camera, action, Donovan Mitchell. I feel like we had that card already. No, Damian Lillard. Insert. That J Will insert getting me though. Zeke. NNAJI and Vernon Carey Jr. rookies. NNAJI. All right. These are the only packs of 2020, 2021 basketball cards that I've gotten. Malik Beasley, Mitchell Robinson, Dwight Powell, Jeff Teague, Harrison Barnes. We have another. Okay, it's another one of those inserts that like the J Will one. But it's a Purple Explosion. I think it's Steph Curry. You have to look on the back, actually. I mean, it's Steph Curry on the front. But they have a bunch of different names also. Jeremy Butler, Nerlens Noel. It's because it's Slam Magazine. So it's the cover of Slam Magazines. That's what it is. Captured mid-yell on the cover of Slam's 2015 special finals blowout issue. Yeah. Well, that's cool. Be a lot cooler if it was a James Wiseman rookie. That's nice. Kira Lewis Jr. Would have been a lot cooler if it was a green parallel Steph Curry. That'd be cheddar. Cheddar money. Money cheddar. Dollars. Dough. Last pack. Here we go. Derek Favors, Marcus Smart, Rudy Gobert, Troy Brown Jr., Kevin Porter Jr., Frequent Flyers Insert. Excuse me. Kawhi Leonard. Two rookies, Leandro Balmaro and Precious Achiuwa. Well, I got a LaMelo, got a Wiseman, got an Anthony Edwards, got a Giannis numbered to 89, got a couple of other Giannis cards. Got another insert numbered 89. I got a Ja Morant and Zion insert parallel. All right, so recap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With 18 packs and two rookies per pack, 36. But I did get 2 parallel rookies, so that's 38. Makes sense. Okay. And the parallel rookies were Elijah Hughes and Robert Woodard II. Woodard was purple. Hughes was green, numbered 61 of 89. Base parallels. 1, Drummond, Thompson, Barton, Young, and Giannis Antetokounmpo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. No jersey cards, no autographs. Still happy, really happy with this box, actually. Inserts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, including the Giannis and his brothers, numbered to 89. That's just a really cool card. I love that. It's so neat. This Jimmy Butler Slam was also a parallel. The Zion Williams Ja Morant was also a parallel. And the Damian Lillard Lights Camera Action was hollow. The other 2 were purple explosions. So let's count the explosions and just see how many. It says 10 megabox exclusive explosion parallels. So 1, 2, 3. The insert parallels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what, 8. The regular parallel parallels. 1, 2, 8, 10. So yeah, 10. All right. Thanks for. Oh, my hair's a little. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay safe out there, and check me out on Patreon. And the Warriors just won a game against the. I don't know who they were playing. Let me check real quick. Pistons, 102 to 86. Well, the Pistons are crappy, so that's not surprising. All right.